In this video, I give you the slope-intercept form of a linear equation and then you sketch the graph for me. So how do we start? So the first one is y equals to 8 over 7, right? So the slope is equals to 8 over 7 and then this is rise over run. So since the slope is positive, we know that the line is going uphill, and other than that, we know the intercept, the y-intercept is 0, -1. So this is how we do it. We start with the y-intercept, 0, -1, and then we trace the rise over run. So since that is going uphill, so going uphill looks like that. So that means we run 7 units to the right. So 7 units to the right, and then we go 8 units up. So that will be 1 plus another 7 units. So that will stop right here. Then that is my reference point. So what is the basic ingredient to sketch a graph? The basic ingredient is we need 2 points. Then fine, we connect them and then extend the line. Then this is the graph of the linear equation. And then is there another way to trace the rise over run? The answer is yes. You can go 8 units up and then 7 units right. Okay, and then the next linear equation is y equals to 5 over 4x. So we have 5 over 4, that is rise over run, that is greater than 0. So that means the line is going uphill. And then the y-intercept, you don't see it, right? Because that is y equals to 5 over 4x plus 0. Then the y-intercept is at 0, 0, which is right at the origin. And then you run 4 units to the right, and then you go 5 units up. So that gets you to the next reference point. So because it's uphill, so what is uphill? Uphill looks like this. So that's why I have to go up. Or another way to go is you go 5 units down, and then you go 4 units left. So that gives me another reference point. And then all you have to do is you draw a straight line, use a ruler, connect them, extend the line, then that is the graph of that linear equation. And then another way to trace the rise or run, so is you, let's use another color, is you go 5 units up, 4 units left, or you go 5 units up, 4 units right, or 4 units left, 5 units down. So that is 5, 4. Just like from point A to point B, there are 2 different routes to go home. Okay, moving on to the next problem. So the next problem, we have a slope equals to -7 over 5. So that is rise over run. This is negative. That means the line is going downhill. So going downhill looks like that. So we start with the y-intercept at 0, +7. So 0, +7 going downhill. That means we run 5 units to the right and then 7 units down. So 5 units to the right and then 7 units down. So that stops right here. We can definitely trace this again because we have enough space. So we go 5 units to the right and then 7 units down. So that gives me the next reference point. And then you draw a straight line, connect them, and then draw an arrow. So this is the run, and this is the rise, this is the run, this is the rise. And then the second way to go is you go 7 units down, 5 units right, so 7, 5, and then 7, 5. So that is number 3. And then moving on to number 4, we switch to another color. So number 4, we have y equals to 2x plus 3. So 2x is the same thing as 2 over 1x plus 3. So the slope is equals to 2 over 1. That is rise over run greater than 0. So the line is going uphill. Going uphill looks like that. And then the y-intercept is at 0, +3. So 0, +3, we have a point. And then we run 1 unit to the right and then 2 units up. So that gets to the next reference point. And then 1 unit right, 2 units up. So that is 3, 2 other reference point. Or you go 2 units down, 1 unit left. And then you catch this pattern to find more and more reference point. And then sketch a straight line, connect all these points. Don't forget to draw an arrow. So that is the graph of 2x minus 3. And we have 2 more problems. So y equals to 4 and x equals to 4. Y equals to 4, you will need that. in one of the statistic chapter called uniform distribution. So y equals to 4. Y equals to 4 is the same thing as y equals to 0 x plus 4. So we know the slope is equals to 0. Then we have a horizontal line. And then the y-intercept is 0, comma 4. So at 0, comma 4, all you have to do is you draw a horizontal line. It is just that easy. So it doesn't matter what x value you choose, y is always equals to 4, not going up, not going down. And then this is x equals to 4. So x equals to 4 is a pretty special case. So this is where x equals to 4 is, right? So x equals to 4 is a vertical line. So that is just x equals to 4, a vertical line. What is the slope of a vertical line? The slope is undefined. And there is no y-intercept. All right, so that will be the end of this video. If you think my instruction is helpful, please let me know in the comment section below. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, share the video for me. Appreciate your help as always. I see you all in the next lesson. In the next lesson, I will give you a point and a slope, and then I will show you how to sketch a linear equation. All right, so see you in the next video.